Welcome in the Screennet headquarters in Wrocław. Today we're gonna check the platform LED which came here for a maintenance check. My name is Maciej and I'm in charge on the service team. If you are curious how we are doing, follow me, I will show you. This is the place when we process inspection, but also where we manufacture the trailers. Before we're gonna start inspection, let's meet production manager Przemek, who will support us during the whole process. Before trailer arrived at our manufactory, we spoke with the customer about her real condition. Now, Przemek confirmed for us how it looks exactly and assigned the service team to take care of the trailer. Let's go to see the beauty. This platform LED is after a very tough winter season in the French mountains. Came to us for a regular maintenance check. Of the inspection is the visual inspection of the trailer. This one looks really good. I honestly don't see even scratches on it, or I have to change my glasses. As we all have seen, the trailer is really in a good condition. So we can agree the visual inspection has been done. Now we will focus on the wear and tear parts, and for this we're gonna need the service team. So let's wait for them. Now David and Wojtek preparing trailer for a checkup. We're gonna open it. We're gonna prepare all the systems to check and process all checking list with all points to be sure trailer is prepared for the season. Every inspection is done by the professionals. We check structure of the trailer, we check the electric system, hydraulic system, over 50 points, which one we have to check to make sure our customers, the trailer is ready for a season. Regular replacement of hydraulic oil and maintaining the cleanness of the entire system, they are key for a long and reliable operation of your equipment. Contaminated oil can cause a serious damage to components, reduce efficiency and costly repairs. A clean hydraulic system guarantees quick and precise operation without unexpected downtimes. Trust our service solution. We are offering high-quality filters, professional operating fluids, and full support in maintenance. Next on our checkup list is hydraulic system. We already exchanged the oil and filters. Right now we're checking the mass and all hydraulic system. We check how it works and adjust it to the perfect one. As you can see on the mast, after adjustment, it works perfectly. There is smooth move without any jumpings. So you can see the hydraulic system is ready to work. And this is my favorite moment of the checking the trailer. So we're gonna check the heart of the trailer. We're gonna check the screen. As you can see, David already processing the test on the screen, so we can check which models are burned out and what's not working. And we see directly one of the models get the issue, and we will take care of it directly to prepare the trailer to give it back to the perfect shape. This is why important is making yearly maintenance for your trailer to extend the lifetime of the trailer and make you sure your trailer won't let you down during the event. All these actions show us the real condition of the trailer. Yearly maintenance checks give you warranty of the working trailer on every event you will go. Right now I can sign the checkup list. We only need to clean the trailer and it's ready to the departure. Maintenance check for this trailer is already finished. We are on the way to the customer. But if you need on-site help, no worries, we got it covered. Just to make sure you are confident with your working tool.